Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ND Study Point. Today we discuss some MCQ on computer GK. I hope this video is very helpful for your upcoming exam. Let's start. Which of the following is the shortcut key to open a new blank document in MS Word? Option A, Ctrl plus D, B, Ctrl plus M, C, Ctrl plus B, and option D, Ctrl plus N. The correct answer is option D, Ctrl plus N. Next question. What does the abbreviation URL stand for? Option A, Universal Resource Locator, B, Uniform Resource Locator, C, Universal Resolution Link, and option D, Unified Resource Locator. And the correct answer is option B, Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. Which of the following is not a web browser? Option A, Google Chrome, B, Mozilla Firefox, C, Microsoft Word, and option D, Safari. And the correct answer is option C, Microsoft Word is not a web browser. Which component of the computer is responsible for processing graphics and visuals? Option A, CPU, B, GPU, C, RAM, and option D, hard disk drive. The correct answer is option B, GPU. What is the full form of PDF in the context of document formats? Option A, portable document format, B, pretty document format, C, public data format, and option D, printable document format. And your correct answer is option A, portable document format. Next question. Third generation computers used option A, integrated circuits, B, vacuum tubes, option C, very large scale integration technique, and option D, transistors. And the correct answer is option A, integrated circuits. Which function key is used for opening help? Option A, F2, B, F3, C, F1, and option D, F4. The correct answer is option C, F1. What does SSL stand for in the context of Internet security? Option A, Secure Socket Layer, B, Secure System Link, option C, System Security Layer, and option D, Safe Socket Link. The correct answer is option A, Secure Socket Layer. What is the shortcut key to find and replace action in MS Word? Option A, Ctrl plus A, B, Ctrl plus H, C, Ctrl plus D, and option D, Ctrl plus R. The correct answer is option B, Ctrl plus H. What does the abbreviation LAN stand for in the context of networking? Option A, Local Area Network, B, Large Area Network, C, Longitudinal Access Network, and option D, Low Latency Area Network. The correct answer is option A, Local Area Network. Which of the following is an antivirus? Option A, Norton, B, Worms, C, Trojan horse, and option D, macrovirus. The correct answer is option A, Norton. Which of the following is not a type of computer memory? Option A, RAM, B, ROM, C, GPU, and option D, cache. The correct answer is option C, GPU. Which of the following is the correct full form of JPEG? Option A, Joint Pixel Experts Group. B, Joint Photography Experts Group. C, Joint Photographic Experts Group. And option D, Joint Pixel Experts Group. And the correct answer is option C, Joint Photographic Experts Group. The process of transferring files from internet to user computer is called option A, uploading, B, JPEG, C, downloading, and option D, FTP. And the correct answer is option C, downloading. Next question. Which of the following is an example of system software? Option A, Microsoft Word. B, Google Chrome. C, Windows 10. And option D, Adobe Photoshop. The correct answer is option C, Windows 10. What does SQL stand for in the context of database? Option A, Structured Query Language. B, Standard Query Language. C, Sequential Query Language. And option D, System Query Language. The correct answer is option A, Structured Query Language. What does VPN stand for in the context of computer networking? Option A, Virtual Personal Network. B, Virtual Private Network. C, Virtual Public Network. And option D, Virtual Protocol Network. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following is a temporary primary memory? Option A, PROM. Option B, RAM. C, ROM. And option D, EPROM. The correct answer is option B, RAM. Which of the following shortcut can be used for creating a chart from the selected cell? Option A, F11. B, F10. C, F4. And option D, F2. The correct answer is option A, F11. What does LAN card NIC stand for in the computer networking? Option A, Local Area Network. B, Local Access Network Card. C, Large Area Network Card. And option D, Localized Area Network Card. The correct answer is option A, Local Area Network Card. What is the default font used in MS Word document? Option A, Times New Roman. B, Arial. C, Riti. And option D, Calvary. And the correct answer is option D, Calvary. In Excel, the intersection of a row and column is called option A, box. Option B, cell. C, grid. And D, table. The correct answer is option B, cell. What does ISP stand for in the context of Internet services? Option A, Internet Search Provider. B, Internet Service Provider. C, Internet Security Protocol. And option D, Internet Source Provider. The correct answer is option B, Internet Service Provider. Who invented the high-level language C? Option A, Dennis M. Ritchie. B, Nicholas Wirth. C, Seymour Papert. And option D, Donald Knuth. The correct answer is option A, Dennis M. Ritchie. An Excel worksheet can have a maximum of dash number of columns. Option A, 256. B, 255. C, 16,384. And option D, 258. The correct answer is option C, 16,384. What does HTML stand for in the context of web development? Option A hypertext markup language, B high text markup language, C hyperlink and text markup language, and option D home tool markup language. The correct answer is option A hypertext markup language. Next question. What does DNA stand for in the context of the internet? Option A dynamic network system, B domain name system, C digital name server, and option D data network system. And the correct answer is option B domain name system. Next question. Control, Shift and Alt are called dash keys. Option A adjustment, B function, C modifier, and option D alphanumeric. The correct answer is option C modifier. Which of the key is not on the number key? Option A control, B delete, C enter, and option D number lock. The correct answer is option A control. Which of the following is used to connect different external devices? Option A address bus, B data bus, C control bus, and option D external bus. And the correct answer is option D external bus. Next question. WAN stand for WAP area network, B wide area network, C wide area net, and option D wireless area network. The correct answer is option B wide area network. Analog computer works on the supply of option A continuous electrical pulses, B electrical pulses but not continuous, C magnetic strength, and option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option A continuous electrical pulses. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Option A down cursor key, B enter key, C shift plus enter, and option D control plus enter. The correct answer is option B enter key. Shortcut for displaying the full page as they are to be printed is option A Ctrl plus F1, B Ctrl plus F2, C Shift plus F1, and option D Shift plus F2. The correct answer is option B Ctrl plus F2. In MS PowerPoint, which key can be used to view slideshow? Option A F1, B F2, C F5, and D F10. The correct answer is option C F5. Which is the main memory of computer? Option A random access memory, B read only memory, C serial access memory, and option D storage memory. And the correct answer is option B read only memory. What is the extension of PowerPoint in MS Office 2007? Option A .ptp, option B pptx, option C .pps, and option D .ptx. And the correct answer is option B .pptx. Processors contains a control unit and an option A primary storage unit, B input unit, C arithmetic logic unit, and option D output unit. And the correct answer is option C arithmetic logic unit. Which is a shortcut key to insert a new worksheet in MS Excel? Option A Ctrl plus W, B Ctrl plus N, C Shift plus W, and option D Shift plus F11. And the correct answer is option D, Shift plus F11. To move to the beginning of a line of text, we should press the dash key. Option A, page up, B, Shift, C, home, and option D, enter. The correct answer is option C, home. In MS Word document, how can spelling and grammar error are detected? Option A, press Shift plus F7, B, press Ctrl plus F7, press Alt plus F7, and option D, press F7. The correct answer is option D, press F7. Next question. Which of the following is used to switch between open programs? Option A, Alt plus Tab, B, Ctrl plus Tab, C, Shift plus Tab, and option D, Ctrl plus Alt. The correct answer is option A, Alt plus Tab. Date and time are available on the desktop at option A, My Computer Bin, B, Recycle, option C, Taskbar, and option D, Keyboard. The correct answer is option C, Taskbar. You can add a hyperlink to your worksheet by pressing option A, Alt plus K, B, Ctrl plus H, C, Ctrl plus K, and option D, Ctrl plus Shift plus K. The correct answer is option C, Ctrl plus K. Which menu option is used to add header and footer in a document? Option A, File, B, Review, C, Insert, and option D, Mailings. And the correct answer is option C, Insert. Last question. In page preview mode, option A, you can see all pages of your document. B, you can only see the page you are currently working on. C, you can only see pages that do not contain graphics. And D, you can only see the title page of your document. And the correct answer is option A, you can see all the pages of your document. Thank you.